Chiropractic care is an unmatched healthcare system because we've taken the quality, hands-on approach to healing and added the reliable sophistication of computerization. We have created this information system to accomplish two major purposes. One, to help you improve your health and well-being. Two, to help you better understand how a ProAdjuster chiropractor can help you. ProAdjuster chiropractic care is safe, effective, accurate, reliable, available at thousands of locations, FDA cleared, taught at chiropractic colleges. Is yours.